Experiencing college on wheels. Full Sail University's educational truck is parked outside of Whale Branch Early College High School so students can take a look at some of the programs the school offers. Students had the opportunity to experience several hands-on activities inside the truck, like video editing and sound engineering.
So you had to drag beats from the side panel to the main screen, and you could listen to them, you could change them up a little bit. You could mess with a piano keyboard type thing, add some more beats in there.
Students also tried out the virtual reality station, esports, and more.
In the truck, I was pretty much just playing Smash. I'm just a gamer at heart, and this program is pretty good for people who wants to express that. You don't really find that a lot in school. And so I really feel like this is a great place for students to actually find themselves and find their interests and express that really well.
I liked the 3D drawing tool where you could add different elements onto the iPad type thing and just draw.
The school is excited to have this unique experience for the students to explore.
I think the main purpose of bringing Full Sail to Whale Branch Early College High School is just to give the students an opportunity to see what's out there, give them the opportunity to look at something different. So when they go on their post-secondary plans, whatever that may be, that they have had the opportunity to explore the different colleges, the different experience. And the good thing about Full Sail is that they bring the experience to us. And some students don't have the opportunity to go out and visit colleges. So it's nice that we can actually bring them here.
The Full Sail University Real-World Education Experience truck offers 5 interactive stations. At Whale Branch Early College High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.